Hi, welcome to this episode of Community Beat. I'm Randy Neiswonger. Today I have the distinct pleasure of welcoming Carla Meyer. Carla?
Hi, Randy.
Hey, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good, thank you for asking. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about what you do here at Community Hospital?
Perfect.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. As Randy said, my name is Carla Meyer. I am one of the administrative directors of nursing here at Community. I work with many departments from the ER to all of our maternal child services, admission discharge team, our patient companions, the patient advocate office, as well as 4 West. So I'm very pleased to work with all the nurses here at Community and all the caregivers as well.
You have quite the scope. You have the emergency department and you have the neonatal services. Your spectrum is so tremendous, and I'm grateful for everything you do for our organization. So thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Coming up in May, every May we have this celebration to look forward to.
We have an amazing celebration.
Oh, I love it.
Yes, we do. So National Nurses Week is celebrated actually May 6th through the 12th. Okay. And here at Community Hospital and through Community Healthcare System, we'll be celebrating Monday, May the 8th, through Friday, May the 12th, with lots of different activities, something fun for everyone.
That's amazing. And I know that May 12th is Florence Nightingale's birthday. And,
yes.
And Flo, as we like to refer to her
and we've all taken that pledge.
We all taken that. Yes, we have. And as a nurse, I have taken that pledge as well. And Flo is the founder of modern nursing, is what they claim, right?
Absolutely. So everything that we do today in nursing, I think will always have roots that we can go back and say that started with Florence Nightingale.
Well, that's so wonderful. And I think the statistics is we have about 4.4 million registered nurses across the United States.
We do. We are a large workforce and always one of the most respected workforces in the United States based on surveys. So that's always an honor to all of us.
Number one, if I'm not mistaken.
I wasn't going to brag, but that's how it usually is.
Yes. It's a great recognition for all the hardworking nurses that are in our workforce today. So well-deserved recognition.
The nurses are wonderful, but we couldn't do it without all the other caregivers on the team, as well as everyone that is behind the scenes, all the contributions everyone makes to amazing patient care experience.
Let me second that. I agree. 85% of our workforce are nurses, but honestly, as a nurse, as a practicing nurse at one point in my time, I know that I was only one person, and all of the other disciplines that surrounded me really made the patient outcomes what they were. So I know that May is National Nurses Recognition, but we want to recognize everybody that contributes to the patient care here. We're so grateful for everything that you guys do each and every day. So Carla, tell me, May 6th through the 12th, what can we expect from the celebration? Again,
we have lots of activities for everyone. Starting on Monday the 8th. Randy, this is going to be your first Nurses Week with us, and we're so excited. So it's been a tradition long before I started here. I started in 2013, and I was always told about Nurses Week. I started around Nurses Week, and they kept telling me about these Nurses Week baskets, and I was in to raise money, and we always raise money for the Cancer Resource Center. It's something that we're honored to do. And we're one of the largest contributors, if not the largest contributor, to the Cancer Resource Center over the years. And when I saw these baskets, these were not baskets at all. They were more like Price is Right displays.
Wow.
Yeah, so it was very impressive. And so we do the basket raffle. So on the first day, that's when the baskets are dropped off, and we kind of start to set up. On that day as well, we're going to have daily raffle drawings for our staff. It's just random raffle drawings for gift cards, as well as our friends from Parlor Donuts are donating donuts for Nurses Week, and we're going to be sharing those with all of our staff as well. There's a scrub sale that we do every year as another way to make money for the Cancer Resource Center. So that will be on Monday the 8th, as well as we have night shift activities on Monday and Tuesday night for the staff that works nights. We have someone that's going around. They can also see the baskets that are being displayed for raffle, and we play games and we hand out prizes for them as well. So we try and get all the staff involved. On Tuesday, our basket raffle ticket sales, that's the kickoff day. We start that at like 7 in the morning. We have raffles again that day. We have a health fair that's going to be really nice for everyone to participate with, as well as the Nurses Week nominees for both the Nurse of the Year and the Caregivers of the Year. We will be celebrating at the Munster Social Center. We'll have a tea for those staff that were nominated for that, and that's on Tuesday. On Wednesday, we will continue with the basket raffles. We're also going to have a grab and go option for breakfast sandwiches as well as lunch and dinner that the staff will be serving. And then we will be doing ice cream treats on the 11th. And then on our Nurses Week ends on Friday with a ceremony where we announce the caregivers of the year as well as the nurses of the year. And we have someone that wins out of every one of our pillars. So we have one for the spirit winner, we have one that's clinical excellence, we have one that's the patient experience, we have one for safety. So we try and cover all of our in the mentor award as well. So we have one that covers all of our pillars here at Community Hospital.
Carla, it's such a lot of work that went into that Nurses Week, so I definitely want to recognize you and your contribution, and of course everybody else that came together to make this week what it is. You know, please join me the week of 6th to the 12th to recognize the immeasurable contribution that not only that our nurses make, but everyone on the care delivery team to make sure that our friends, family, and neighbors get the care that they expect when they come to Community Hospital. And I want to thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Community Beat.